In just a few seconds, you'll discover the subtle signs that reveal if your ex is ready to rekindle the flame. Stay tuned to learn how to decipher their true intentions. The journey of love can often lead us to heartache, leaving you to ponder whether your ex might still carry a spark for you. It's especially confusing when their signals are mixed, leading you to second-guess their true intentions. In today's discussion, we will explore 5 unmistakable signs that indicate your ex may be looking to take a step back into your life. Whether your separation has lasted for a few weeks or several months, having clarity on their feelings will empower you to navigate the next steps more confidently. Before diving into the signs, let me share a compelling success story that can resonate with many of you. One of my clients had been in a committed relationship for over a year and a half. About 3 months ago, he started noticing significant and distressing changes in his ex-girlfriend's behavior. She had become less communicative, more distant, and began spending increasing amounts of time with friends, often making excuses to avoid him. The sporadic meetings they had left him feeling frustrated and confused, as he found himself doing most of the emotional labor. As he sensed the growing disconnect, he became desperate to alleviate the situation. In a bid to rekindle their bond, he sent her roses, thoughtful messages, and sweet texts. He believed that grand gestures would reignite her feelings. Unfortunately, his efforts only seemed to push her further away, ultimately culminating in a breakup 2 months later. In light of this breakup, my client found himself lost, questioning why she suddenly wanted space and time. Despite his naturally supportive nature, he understood that he had to adapt his approach. It wasn't until he began to appreciate the value of giving her space, rather than continuously chasing her, that he started on a path toward potential reconciliation. This strategy was not easy. It took time, self-reflection, and a considerable amount of courage. Now, let's dive deeper into the signs that can help you determine if your ex is contemplating a reunion. One of the first signs to look for is a noticeable increase in your ex's engagement on social media, specifically when their activity seems to revolve around you. This could manifest as them liking or commenting on your posts more often, sharing pictures that evoke shared memories, or even tagging you in posts that catch your eye. Sometimes, they may even post updates that might be indirectly designed to provoke an emotional reaction from you. After a breakup, it's common for both parties to initially take a step back from each other's online presence. However, if your ex starts showing more interest in your social life by following your updates and commenting frequently, this indicates they're still thinking about you. Research shows that over 50% of individuals admit to stalking their ex's social media out of curiosity and to gauge their emotional state. If they're lingering around your digital life, it's a strong hint that they may still care. Consider a scenario where your ex posts a throwback photo from a vacation you took together or shares a song that you both loved. Such actions aren't random. They are strategic, often aimed at igniting a sense of nostalgia and rekindling the emotional connection that once existed. Pay close attention to whether they seem to engage with your posts about friends or activities, or if they occasionally reference experiences you shared in their captions or comments. But that first reason is nothing compared to this next one. Changes in communication patterns. The second sign to watch for is noticeable changes in how your ex communicates with you. If they start to initiate conversations more frequently or respond more promptly to your messages, it's a positive indicator of their interest. In the aftermath of a breakup, many individuals retreat into a phase of silence, but increased outreach from your ex suggests they are reconsidering their previous decision to break up. Initially, the communication may have been sparse and limited to only necessary discussions or small talk. However, over time, an uptick in texting or calling demonstrates that they're warming up to the idea of reconnecting with you. Surveys reveal that 44% of people reach out to their exes when they experience loneliness, showcasing a significant desire for reconnection. Imagine your ex texting you out of the blue about a movie that reminded them of you or asking for your opinion about something they know you're passionate about. This isn't random. It's a conscious effort to bridge the emotional gap and reestablish a connection. They're testing the waters to see if there's still compatibility and chemistry between you two, indicating they might want to explore the past further. Now, before I dive into the next reasons, let me give you something to think about. If understanding these dynamics is crucial for you, hit that subscribe button now. You won't want to miss the insights that can help guide your love life in a promising direction. Jealousy tactics. The fourth sign involves understanding whether your ex exhibits signs of jealousy regarding your current social life. If they show discomfort or curiosity about your dating life or friendships, it often reveals they're not over you. Jealousy can act as an emotional trigger, compelling your ex to confront unresolved feelings and prompting them to reconsider the breakup. Behavioral analysis. Over time. Initially, after a relationship ends, most individuals might express indifference to their ex's dating life, but this changes as emotions resurface and become more evident. Jealousy often rises when they realize that moving on is harder than they expected. Research indicates that jealousy can stimulate longing. Nearly 67% of individuals report reaching out again when they feel uneasy about their ex's new relationships. Think about a scenario where your ex likes a post showing you with another person or asks subtle questions about your relationship status during a conversation. If they're actively seeking information about whom you're seeing or how you're spending your time, it could signal their lingering feelings of attachment. Such behavior suggests that they're not just trying to move on. They may actually be reconsidering their own choices. These insights can guide you. Just wait for the most telling sign of all. Physical encounters and invitations. The fifth and final sign that your ex may want to take you back is if they initiate physical meetups. Whether it's suggesting a casual coffee catch-up or inviting you to an event you both enjoyed, these invitations are powerful indicators that they are interested in exploring the relationship further. After a breakup, one might expect a significant amount of emotional and physical distance. However, if your ex is reaching out to reconnect in person, it demonstrates they are no longer shying away from their feelings. Various relationship experts suggest that nearly 70% of individuals are more likely to initiate face-to-face contact when they want to reignite a previous relationship. If your ex reaches out with an invitation to grab lunch or join them for an event, it's a clear signal they want to see if the spark still exists. They're attempting to create shared experiences that remind them of your mutual bond, allowing for a natural path back to each other. This step reveals their willingness to take a risk and invest in what once made your relationship special. Now that you're equipped with these insightful signs, take a moment to consider how you want to respond. If you appreciated this insight, please like this video and subscribe for more content that helps foster healthy and thriving relationships. To recap, we've identified 5 crucial signs that indicate your ex might want to take you back. Increased social media activity, changes in communication patterns, conversations about the past, jealousy tactics, and physical invitations. Each of these signs provides valuable clues that can guide you through the complexities of rekindling a relationship. Knowledge is power. Having this information equips you to manage your emotions and opportunities more effectively. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to check out our discussion on why celebrating healthy sexuality is important for older adults. Just click on the link, and let's continue this enlightening conversation. By recognizing these signs, you can gain clarity on your ex's intentions and make an informed decision about whether pursuing a reunion aligns with what you genuinely seek. Remember that it's essential to prioritize your own happiness and well-being throughout this process. If your ex shows consistent commitment and effort after signaling these intentions, it may be worth considering re-engaging with them. Relationships hinge on mutual effort and emotional connection. As you assess these signs, ask yourself what you truly want in your life right now. Do their actions and feelings align with your vision of a healthy and fulfilling relationship? Reflecting on these aspects will empower you to make thoughtful decisions that lead to lasting happiness. Whether that involves rekindling an old flame or embracing new opportunities, being in tune with your desires is key. Make your decisions thoughtfully and confidently, embracing the journey that lies ahead. Trust your instincts, and remember that whether your relationship transitions into renewed love or you gracefully conclude that chapter, your happiness always comes first. Thank you for joining this discussion today. I genuinely hope you found these insights helpful. Take your time evaluating your situation, and remember that you deserve a relationship that brings you joy and fulfillment, whether it's with your ex or someone new. As you navigate this decision, keep an open heart and mind, allowing yourself to explore what truly resonates with you.